Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan and QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Lupopo 1. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski.
Sibuzi.
Ukraine.
Ukraine, right?
Amnandi.
Yeah, singamoshi isikhathi sekulate.
Yes.
Sibo. Njalo Themba.
Oh,
Sharpman. Ngicela ukhiphele umbrella engana passport awuthatha.
Ufuna kanzi.
Nayi umbrella ne passport. Nayi umbrella ne passport. Lezinto azikhulumayo zahambisana nalento.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga futhi.
Umbrella ne passport.
Akusele savana.
Umbrella ne passport.
Ngiyabonga. Into zoyikhuluma ihambisana nalezinto ezila kule umbrella futhi. Ngiyabonga coach. Ayethemba coach.
No, bengisasho Sibo ngithi ebholeni okanye ekasi kuna something esiyazi ngokuthi i-wall pass.
Yes.
I-wall pass. Abantu abaningi i-wall pass bayazi ngokuthi idlalwa i-striker. Okanye sidlala forward.
Yes.
I-wall pass siyenza kuma areas amaningi eground.
Yes.
Ngokwelimi lwebhola udeep sibiza ngokuthi it's a bounce ball.
Yeah.
Si bounce ayini ibhola because siyaphasa njani ibhola liyabuya, siyaphasa ibhola liyabuya.
Yeah.
Somsizi. Yeah, it's a bounce ball because siyaphasa ibhola njani liyabuya.
Yeah.
So nginotice something today engenze nga realize ukuthi why uSantos wasayinwa iSundowns.
Yini leyo?
uSantos bamsayinele because usmart with bouncing ibhola.
Yeah.
Ulbounce kanjani ibhola Sibo? Ulbounce ngokuthi uSantos ugood ngokuthi uyakhona ukuread game. Asuke as a central attacking, asuke a drop as a deep, azobounce in ibhola. Ulbounce kanjani ibhola? Udlala nomkwena. Ngalesikhathi edlala kumkwena yena libuyisela kubani? It's either libuyisela kumkwena or libuyisela kuAlend. Same thing uAlend ephinda libuyisela kubani? Kuyena ubani uSantos. Ngalesikhathi edrawer lonto basobenzelani bayenziswa ukuthi team isuke ihleli deep okanye isuke idlala mid block. So ngalesikhathi uSantos esuka as a deep kunomuntu ozomlandela. Ngalesikhathi kunomuntu omlandelayo landela uSantos ezobounce ibhola nabo Alend nabo mkwena kuvuleka eni ngemuva kuvuleka ispace. There is why Sundowns sign abani uSantos. There is this guy as well. Basically interview am today based explaining why be sign uSantos, be sign nale outs. Le angazi noma ngizoyibiza kahle yini. Bani Resino
number 7.
Yes.
Number 7.
Yes. Bamsane low element because na ugood ngokubounce yini, ngokubounce ibhola. There is another element amachita bawasayinele yona. Le element yani because Sundowns siyazi ngani ngeshushine and beyond, right?
Yes.
So manje le element babasanele element yani yokudlala over ini i-defense.
Yes.
Ukuthi okay i-team nothi iya close ama passing lanes okanye ama passing channels. We are able ukuthi change i-game. We have another element yokudlala i-game. Leyo element yipi? It's playing over ini i-defense.
Yes.
Alright, asibuyeleni game today.
Bangene mina.
First goal. I-pass from Resino to Santos.
Yes.
Lidlalo kanjani le ball of defense.
Yes.
Kwangena ini i-goal. Ilupopo miqeda uku-equalizer. Immediately Sundowns yasusa ibhola esense. Yadlala ibhola, yalinoka basebenza ufika eboxini badlala over the defense. Unfortunately Sundowns yangakwazi ukwenza njani ukukora. Alright. Asibuyeleni egolini lika Santos le-3. Santos ukore goal le-3, right? Bese ngena uSalezi. Uthole kanjani la goal la? Uthole ngokuthi uSalezi enze njani? Edlale over defense. USantos wakora ini igoli uyabo ukuthi Santos uinvolve kumagoli amangaki over playing over i-defense amagoli amangaki ayi2
Yes.
iyona lento bebemlethele yona kwi-Sundowns. Remember kade ngikutshela nge-bounce play okanye i-wall pass ukuthi i-wall pass asiyenzi nge-striker kuphela siyayenza nangani nakwi-defense okanye siyenza kuwona wonke ama-areas e-ground asibuyele egolini lesi-2 lika-Ireland Umdawu plays with Matthews bounce to Santos Santos plays to Ireland kuqhuma inet yabo lama element ebekubalela wona bounce play wall pass and an element of playing over the defense. There is why Sundowns ilanda bo Salesi ilanda bo Santos ilanda bo Racing even uCosta ube good ngalento yokuthi edlale vertical ngalesikhathi ilinto uzodlala vertical edlale over i-defense uRivera uCosta ube good ngakwenza njani ngokudropa ezobouncer iplay wonke lamagoli angene today team abuyela back to playing over i-defense abuyela back to wenzeni bouncing in play. Remember ngihleze ngitshela football is a game of ukhohliwe cabanga amantombazana football is a game of patins. Football is a game of patins. Lama goal lawa angene today angene over i-defense with an element of bounce play. Thank you Sibos.
Thank you many. Yes. And that's the
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?